Hi, welcome to University of Fame Cherry. So today we'll show you how to load film but you use a black bag. So why you want to load into a black bag is because if you do it this way using a black bag, you can get like maybe 39 to 41 shots. This is a technique that I learned from Taobao. So I just find it very useful and helpful. That's why I share it to you guys. Okay, so now we want to load the film into the camera but using a black bag instead so that we can get more rolls, I mean more shots per roll, because usually the per roll is about 36 shots. Actually it's 36 shots, but when we use this black bag we're expecting to get like at least 39 shots. But according to the Taobao who taught this technique, they say that can shoot up to 41 shots. So I think it depends on your camera model as well. So first you need to load the film using the secure loading technique that I showed in the other video. I can put a link to the video on this scene here. So you can click on the video if you don't know how to load using the secure method. So first we put the film in. Make sure it catch. Then rewind the film. See? So now that is secure on the camera here now. We make sure that we don't expose these front few frames of the film. So now we put the camera into the black bag. So make sure that it's securely shut so that no light comes in. Then close it. So next, you put your hand inside the black bag. So when your hand is inside, you need to manipulate the camera and to load the film using the simple and secure film technique that I taught you guys in the other video, in case you don't know. So it's the same thing. You will pull the film into the canister slot in the camera. So make sure that you make sure it's secure. So make sure it's tight. So once it's tight, you can close the back. So after that happens, from the first frame itself you can actually shoot already. Let me show you guys. Actually, if you don't have a backpack, you can go into a very dark room, or you can use your blanket, I guess. But if you want to buy the black bag, I got sell lah. Okay, so you see here now S, you can actually start from S itself to shoot already, because you have loaded this using the black bag. So from the first frame it's not exposed, so you can use it. That's it for now. So I hope this is helpful for you guys. Anything you can ask me. Thank you. God bless.